Hello traders, this is Raksha from Nifty Analysis. Welcome to Bhumi Parivar. I hope you had good fun with the stocks which we have picked yesterday for you guys. Hindu Unilever, NTPC, Vedal and Aditya Birla Fash. Now I have another set of four stocks for you guys for tomorrow to look out for. And these are Bajaj Auto and few more stocks, that is Coromandel and Dcm Shriram Limited and Dhanuka AGRITECH. Well, three are out of Nifty 50, but there was something very interesting going on in these three. That's why that's a pick for me. So let's start with Bajaj Auto without wasting any further of time so that you can be prepared for your trade entries for tomorrow. So let's start with Bajaj Auto here. Just like yesterday in my video, I told you that there is um, a angular line which we actually use to look out for the breakouts, because at these angular lines, this is not the trend line, it's the angular line in which any breakout or a rejection gives a very beautiful trade setup here. So now here we are back again on this line here, on breakout of this line which comes near about 2892, or you can say 2895, between this range, the high of this and this range, or 2895 and 2892, or the breakout will take to the target of 2937 and 2945 initially on Bajaj Auto. And if there is a very good high volatility tomorrow, because I am looking for 10940 in Nifty, I'll just show you the Nifty chart also, which we are actually following since last 3 days. If that goes, then we can see 2980 in Bajaj Auto. If it would be that, it won't be a surprise, because that is showing on my technical levels for here right now. And if, as you can see on 1 hour, it has just given me a buy also. So Bhumi is again backing up this technical levels which actually I have for you now. So let's jump to the second stock, that is Coromandel. Here again, I have a bullish sentiment for Coromandel here. Um, right now, it is again back to the line here. One very important and very interesting thing, just like yesterday, there is one more harmonic pattern which has finished in Coromandel on daily time frame. I'll just show you that also. But first, for the intraday one, if there is a breakout of 762, 761 range, this range here, depending on the time stamp here, 762 precisely, and a very major resistance of 763.95 here, this level of blue line you can see here. We will see 770 initially, and then 787 in Coromandel on a buyer side. Now let me show you what I was talking about. It has just finished a harmonic uh, harmonic pattern here. I'll just show you from this leg, then the pullback, and this. As you can see, at this major resistance, it has been reacting very interestingly. So what happens is, on a longer time frame, guys, it's not a short-term trade, but a longer time frame. If I see a breakout, a rejection here back again, if I see a rejection here, and if it closes below this range, and this range is 740 to 746, 47 precisely. If there is a breakout of this range here, we can see 601 as the first target on long term, and 499 on second target. But this is a longer game, so you just don't fall for any options or something like that. It's just something which will take around 3rd Feb to 9th April, Feb, March, around a month or so, 1 month to 2 months. I'll just show you how much time it might take. This leg, this is in 70 bars, like in 52 days it finished. So near about at this time, 52 days. If we go like 52 days will be around September. So by end of August, we can see, I'll just type it as, by end of August 2020, we can see these targets, the one at 601 and another at 499. Okay, but jumping to the intraday thing for tomorrow, if there is a breakout of 763, I will suggest this breakout because it has much more rejections here. Angular will give you the first confirmation, and the second confirmation will be the breakout of 763.95. As soon as this breakout is given, the first target is 770 upside and 787 for the second target on Coromandel International. Now coming to DCM Shriram. DCM Shriram, I'm bearish on DCM Shriram. Also, Bhumi is also supporting that again. On break of 310, around 310 here, on break of this level, my target is a range of 300 to 297. So this is DCM Shriram for me for intraday. So as soon as this gives a breakout, on a smaller time frame, you can jump in and just check for a very small rejection or something, or a retest of this level again, and then just go for a short. And if you are a Bhumi user, you won't have to think about anything because you have reversal and breakout lines along with you on your subscription. So as soon as it does that, just go for it for a sell, and I will be looking for 300 to 297 range of target in a Shriram. And now last but not the least, this is Dhanuka AGRITECH. In Dhanuka AGRITECH, what I'm expecting is a breakout of 773 here for a target of 797 to 803 range. So this is my range of target. Now if I jump to 4-hour chart, you can see it's a double test of this line, double test of the previous high here. So this makes sense that it will test it back again. If the test of this earlier high of 797, 799 precisely, if I check the OHLC here, 799, then the next target is 803. So that's the reason I have put the target range of 797 to 803 here. So just repeating that again, I will be looking for a breakout of 733 for a bullish target of 797 and 803 for Dhanuka AGRITECH. So this was all the 4 stocks for you guys. Let's check with Nifty. As yesterday again I told you that I am not looking for any further down, not below 10,637 to 600, and just as what we discussed yesterday, it's back on its track. It has clearly broke the rejection level, sorry, resistance level here of 10,815, and now I'll be looking for 10,940 as my target here. So let's hope it will touch tomorrow, and if so, just check for these levels which I have told you. Okay, so just trade safe, put your SL tight, and keep monitoring it. Don't let your trades go stray like that. Have profits, have fun. Thank you. Good night.